Rest in peace to Screw tonight, we take it slowly. Yeah.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to FTP NOV for another video. I know I kind of slacked off during the whole Black Friday weekend, but happy Thanksgiving to each and every one of you and your families. I appreciate all of you guys. That's honestly what I'm mainly thankful for, besides my family and friends, because honestly, without you guys, I wouldn't have this platform to actually be able to speak to people who listen to what I have to say. I know that sounds simpy in a way, but I'm really thankful for you guys. It's honestly really appreciated that you guys come back to my channel each and every time I post. There's some of you guys that are here faithfully, and you guys mean a lot. I honestly really appreciate that shit. But without any further ado, bro, today we got an FTP live cop. I also am gonna be trying to get the Union Jordan 1s. Hopefully I cook up on everything that I am looking to get today. It's gonna be an action-packed day. This whole weekend has been litty as far as drops go, but the success rate is not as litty. So we're gonna try to cook up on FTP, on a little bit of Union 1s. I did skip out on the Sesame Yeezys. I am also gonna be dropping a 7-day hype video this week for certain. I'm gonna probably record that right after this so I don't start slacking. I am gonna record that. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Go ahead and click the 2 Gleam links at the top of the description if you do want to enter in 2 giveaways. I have one with Borough 5 New York where we're giving away a Borough 5 tee and a Supreme tee. Click that one. And the second one is for Project 88 where there's going to be 2 winners. What you have to do for that one is email me your favorite item off their website and you'll be getting that item plus 2 to 3 Supreme stickers. I just added that recently, but that's going to be a pretty good giveaway as well. Also, Project 88 is having a Black Friday sale for 40% off. Their items are already cheap, so go ahead and grab some stuff. Their hats are $25 originally, so you could get those for a steal. You could also get the Ghost tee, which I think might be sold out soon, for like $9, bro. Go ahead and check their website out right now before you even start this video, honestly. But without any further ado, man, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so right now it's like 2 minutes to the FTP drop, and at this point I still don't know what I want. I know that I'm looking at the vest, possibly a hoodie, and that handcuff tee is really hard to me, so I might check that out. Also, if there's any accessories that are dropping, I'm gonna try and go for one of those. I don't know what's going on yet, but I am gonna see what's going on in a little bit. If you guys do enjoy, go ahead and get this video to like 120 likes. That would mean a whole lot, and I am coming with the content. I got a couple videos loaded and ready to go. I'm just trying to get them in a systematic type of rotation. I don't even know what that means. We got 1 minute. We gonna come back when it's time to go ahead and buy some shit. Shit already dropped early. Oh my god. What do I even... Oh, that vest is hard, bruh. Oh shit. I need that. Let me get that. Let me get this. There is a sledgehammer, bruh. I'm gonna try to cart some items. I might go for the sledgehammer because... Oh, I need beanies, bro. Yes. Let me get a couple of these. Let me get the black one too. You heard? And I think we good to go. I just in line. What the fuck for FTP 2, bro? See that Q shit? That should be pissing me off, bro. Come on, baby. I think we cooked up. Let's just see. All right, our order is processing right now. I may have cooked up on a lot of shit. It's still processing, so I don't know. All right, so I cooked up on 5 things so far. I'm gonna go ahead and try and cook up on another cart. Try and get this shoulder bag. Might go ahead and scoop the pink beanie. I honestly don't know what else I want right now. I think I may have overcooked. It's a big fuck it right now. I'm not gonna get the football because honestly, what the fuck am I gonna do with a football? I just ended up with a sledgehammer and that's already beyond me, so I don't know, bro. Yo, this was a dope ass FTP drop. Honestly, this shit is hard, bro. There is a lot of heat in here and I forgot the screen record. I'ma still drop it, bro. Like, my bad. I'ma show y'all the confirmation page, but this shit is hard, bro. Like, I deadass forgot the screen record, bro. My bad, bro. Damn. I've been on some bullshit, bro. Like, what is going on? Alright, bro. So I did scoop up a lot of shit. I'm gonna show y'all the confirmation right here. I scooped up the tactical vest. I might go ahead and scoop up these last 2 pieces right here and call it a day because I did splurge, honestly. Let's complete this order real quick and see what's going on. I think I just scooped up the last pieces that I'm gonna go ahead and get today. What? Oh, nah. Damn, my card is not going through right now, which is honestly some bullshit. I know I got enough bread in the card, but it's just not trying to go through. That's some bullshit. I'm about to try through PayPal, bro. I need to get this. Like, I'm low-key tight that these slippers came out because I copped the navy ones and I would have much rather got these, to be honest, which kind of sucks, but there's shit we could do at this point. Let's just see if we could check out real quick because they on some bullshit, bro. come on, bro. Let me just get through. Like, what is you talking about? Oh my God, they on some bullshizzle, bro. I hate when Wells Fargo fucking declines the card, bro. Like, son, there is fundage in there. Like, what are you on? I'm glad at least I got through on something. I'm gonna show y'all the confirmation because I'm tripping right now. I know I got 2 beanies, the vest, I got a tee and some other shit, but it's low-key pissing me off how I can't get the shoulder bag, which is honestly one of the things that I wanted. Yeah, so I got the lawyer tee, I got the tactical vest, the sledgehammer, the cube, and 2 beanies, which is honestly not bad at all. That's a whole lot of shit, but still, bro, I need that shoulder bag. I should have added that shit from the jump, to be honest. Shit is starting to sell out. I might go ahead and call Wells Fargo so I could get this situated and still be able to cop the rest of the shit that I want, hopefully in time, but that's some bullshit. Alright, yo, so I'm gonna be right back as soon as I figure this out. I'm gonna record the last clip if I do end up getting it. If I don't, y'all already know what it is. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I did take an L on the Union ones. I was gonna put it in here, but it's just like, bro, what's the point of it if at the end of the day I spent like 50 minutes on queue for no reason? Like, thank you guys for tuning in today. I really appreciate that shit. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and leave a like. I know the screen recording was type bullshit because I forgot to press it, but we're still here with it. I still did cook up on all this right here. Low-key upset that I couldn't get that shoulder bag, but if I do, I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip right here. All right, so I just spoke to them bitch ass niggas and this shit is working again. So I'm about to go ahead and scoop up this side bag, which I honestly still do really want. I feel like this reflective theme on it is fire, and I'm not about to miss out on this and then be like, fuck, I should have got that. No, that's not about to happen. So let's go ahead and scoop that. I might just go ahead and scoop that by itself. I don't feel like I need any more teas, so I'm gonna throw that to the side real quick. I got the dopest tea in my opinion. Let me check if there's anything else that I want right here. I feel like everything important is sold out at this point, so I'm not really about to go bonkers or anything. Yeah, there's honestly nothing really like worth it. I don't know. Yeah, that we don't give a fuck tea is ass. I might go ahead and get this commit a crime jacket. It don't got shit on the back. It don't even say FTP. Fuck that. Yeah, I feel like that's pretty much it, bro. I'm about to go ahead and scoop this and then we up out of here because I ain't trying to OD either, bro. I don't need the football. Do I need these slides? Do I need these slides? Oh, they sold out on my sides anyway. Let's get it. All right, so we about to check out on this side bag and then we straight up out of here, you feel me? I feel like this FTP drop is crazy, bruh. So my order is processing right now. I got the side bag. I got a lot of shit. We went through. All right, so just to recap on everything that I did get, we got the sledgehammer, the Rubik's Cube. We got the lawyer tee in black. We got the vest in black, which is honestly my favorite piece from this drop. We got the royal beanie, the black beanie, and we got the shoulder bag. To me, those are probably the best items aside of the anorak. I feel like I should have went for that in my first cart, but I did slack. So it is what it is, you feel me? We still scooped up a decent amount. Honestly, the slides is kind of a hit or a miss for me because I do have the navy ones already. The football, fuck that shit. I got the basketball, so I'm gooch on that. I got a sledgehammer, which is like, what the fuck am I gonna need that for? But I might put it in my Supreme toolbox. Fuck it, right? But yeah, I'm gonna come back to the past and end this video real quick. I'm gonna catch you guys. Peace. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Go ahead and click them 2 Gleam links at the top of the description. The information on what you need to do is gonna be in the description as well. But thank you guys once again. With all that out the way, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Stay up, and I'm out.
Rest in peace, and screw tonight, we take it slowly.